Good morning, everybody. Hey, I gotta say this first off, guys. Thank you so much from myself, Jake, and Josh, the team here at Trade Confident, to you guys. Thank you guys for helping us hit. We just crossed over last night. Josh sent us a screenshot in the Telegram group for our business, hitting 50,000 subscribers. I can't believe we ended up hitting this mark. It's just kind of like a dream come true. I don't even know. I didn't even dream of us hitting it this fast. It's been pretty crazy. So thank you guys, just from the bottom of my heart. Thank you guys so much for all the support you give us. It means absolutely so much. And it has been so fun to go with you guys literally through the highs and the lows, in crypto here, together as a family. And I just want to say thank you so much. So thank you guys. Thank you so much. All right. You clicked on this thumbnail. Let's dive into the analysis. Guys, Ethereum, the crypto markets. I was looking at this yesterday, and I don't know if you guys are starting to get the YouTube shorts that we're doing. It's just like really simple shorts I'm doing on my iPad to basically show you guys some crucial things I see in the market. I am expecting this move to go down just a little bit further. We're already seeing this happen on some of the altcoins. One of the altcoins, what was I looking at? I think I was looking at EOS, already seeing a little bit of a drop back down. DOT definitely seeing this drop back down, which honestly is extremely healthy, in my opinion, for us to keep moving up. You guys want to see some exciting stuff here? Look at over here at the VUG. The VUG officially broke the descending resistance over here, which is what I use to track the S&P 500 as well as the NASDAQ. It's a correlated ETF, okay? This breakout here is very bullish for the markets in general. Let's look at the S&P 500 today. We did officially break the strongest descending resistance, so this is a very bullish sign for the overall market, the S&P 500, but also moving into crypto. This is a bullish sign, and I know some people took out some short trades the other day, but let me show you guys some reasonings of why I think we're going to start moving back up here, moving into next week. All right, we're currently sitting at 110 wins and 0 losses. We are very close to taking our next win, which will be 111 on Avalanche. So make sure you guys are watching that. My eyes will be peeled on Avalanche this weekend as we look to see that go back up here. So you guys subscribe to the membership. You guys will get access to all the trade calls I make, as well as all the entries I do, and all that fun stuff is in the description. Okay, retail trader indicators are all green this morning. You guys know when I see this, this is where I'm actually looking for some drops back down. A lot of retail traders, when they see all their indicators go green, they get excited, but this is where wells and institutions are going to look to take some short trades out. And I'll prove this to you guys over here as I'll go over the metrics here in just one moment here. Take a look at price versus well money flow, as well as trend exhaustion. We see well money flow very high. We see trend exhaustion very high. We need to look at what has happened in the last times trend exhaustion is high and well money flows high. We are seeing drops back down in the market, okay? And then we come over here. Let's be really transparent. We saw trend exhaustion high here, well money flow high. We see also trend exhaustion high here and well money flow high here. If you go straight up, that's correlated to this drop here. It is correlated to this drop. Calling it before the drop happens, as well as this drop over here, is when we pushed up in the top red section, guys. My short traders out there, you guys, my brother said this in one of his videos. He's like, they're printing money. So I'm like, oh, that's kind of cool. I'll say that. Like, literally, guys, our short traders are like printing money this entire time through here. You're looking for trend exhaustion to be in the top red section, as well as well money flow behind. You're looking for the move down. Alternatively, for my long traders out there who are scalping, just wait for trend exhaustion to be low and well money flow to be low here. That's where you guys are looking to get into the market and take 3 to 4% profit. Great job for anybody who took any of these signals down here where trend exhaustion got to the bottom red section. This one down here was really the only one that officially got hit. Let me just show this to you guys down here to be transparent. This is the only one I can see that got hit. That was right around this area. Trend exhaustion was low, but well money flow wasn't too low. You guys all still won that trade. So that's just how we scalp these markets if you'd like to see that. The bigger trade we're in, and I'll go over metrics here in 1 second. This bad boy right here is the one I'm in, which a lot of us are in, and we're waiting for this to get back up to structure high. And I'll show you guys how to get into a trade today if you want to take this. Okay. Over to the charts real quick. Let's take a look at the metrics. Real quick, guys, we are currently setting that, this 110 wins, 0 losses. We're now keeping this updated. Guys, just $95 a month. You'll get access to all the metrics that I'm about to go over, as well as the Telegram, where I call exits for the trades that we are exiting. And then also when I'm getting back into a trade, you guys will get access to that. All the masterclass videos are open for you, as well as next month, we're going to go live on Zoom together as a family, do an open Q&A session, and kind of just hang out. It's going to be really fun. So congrats, guys. Join us on the next wins. With that, you guys get access to all the metrics for each of our coins. Let's dive in. Emotional index. Guys, we're pushing up into the excited area again. What happens when retail traders get excited? Well, let's see what has happened in the past. We can see that we've actually saw drops almost every single time. We saw this drop here. We see this drop there. We saw the drop in the market here. We saw the drop in the market here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can even kind of argue to say this move up here was an overextension for a 5th drop, looking for possibly the 6th drop back down. Okay, this is a bearish sentiment. I want us to keep track of this as we go through. You've got money in Ethereum. You're trying to figure out what's going on for the weekend. Let's keep track of this. This is bearish, okay? Let's come out here and look at long versus short trades. Short trades are actually moving out, and then they held steady while long trades actually increased. This is a bullish sign, but I believe this is from people that are just still holding long trades because they've seen this descending resistance get broken. People are starting to add to their long trades, expecting this to really start move up here. So overall, this is actually a bullish sign. So if you take it from the perspective of long trades increasing, that's awesome. My apologies, guys, excuse me. But you also take a look at short trades decreasing here, and that actually just gives more power to long trades. So this could be even better for those of you guys who are in Ethereum because this is more of a bullish sign. Okay, market cap strength. If you guys can see this, let me actually zoom in here a little bit. Market cap strength is blowing up for Ethereum. Like, look at this green line over here. It is insane. The price went up and market cap just skyrocketed with it, just as it is for Bitcoin over these last, I would say, last 3 to 4 weeks, okay? This is a very bullish sign, guys. This means money is literally, I don't know if you guys know this, but the green line can only go up if money is coming out of other altcoins and it's pushing into Ethereum. Now, I know there's the regular market cap for Ethereum. This is showing you the market cap on Ethereum relative to the entire market, the rest of the market. I think this is way more powerful because when this green line goes up, it actually means money is coming out of other altcoins because it's a percentage of overall market cap. So you can't have a percentage of market cap go up on Ethereum without it coming out of other coins. So this is bullish for Ethereum, hands down, no debating there. Really, really bullish. Okay, I like this. So overall, I'm looking bullish for market cap. Trades in favor. We are pushing closer to a good short trade up here. So I want you guys to be aware of this. A lot of people are probably going to look to take some shorts here to try to trade this back down. But this is the moment, guys. Listen, this is the moment where a short squeeze can take place and absolutely skyrocket crypto. I know we're looking at over here in the well-institutional smart money. These guys have come out here and they've taken out shorts pretty strong. So yes, this may see an overall downtrend a little bit over the weekend. I would not doubt, and don't be nervous if over the weekend the market sees a little bit of a dip back down. But like I showed you guys with the markets such as the S&P 500 finally breaking this, this is a very bullish sign, and we could see this starting to push us into more profit next week. Let this be a higher low formation. Don't be nervous. I'm going to hold all my positions and then move back up. Let me show you guys how to get into a trade setup here if you guys want to trade with this. Okay, next resistance is 3,045, and then the support is about 2,245. Basically, just looking at these two levels here and here. So if we start moving up by next week or the weekend, we get some type of pump. I don't think we're going to head any higher than about 3,000. I would say at max 3,050. Okay, that's where I think we're going to head if we do see any type of move up. But if we see a move back down, you guys are like, well, how low can we go? I think we're probably the lowest we'll go is probably about 2,500 because I think this uptrend is now established here. Now that we've broken the descending resistance, now it's a descending support, and a break and retest is probably what we're going to see. Now, dollar cost average entries, those of you guys who have 10,000 bucks, throwing 1,000 bucks into each green line here, great job, guys. You are holding this and you are in profit on both of these entries that you took because of the metrics. All right, exit points. We are seeing this come out today. So again, we're seeing an exit point come out here as well as in institutions coming out here and looking to short this back down. So do not be nervous if we see a drop back down. It would actually be normal and it would actually follow suit to our metrics if we did see somewhat of a little healthy higher low formation and then a move back up. Let this thing drop. Let me show you guys now how to get into a trade for Ethereum so you guys can trade this. And this is how we've won 110 wins in a row. So if you guys like that, pay attention here, okay? Let's go over to Bitcoin charts, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and let's go over this. So obviously this is Bitcoin, but the charts look the exact same. You'll have 4 yellow lines on the Ethereum metric, and here's what you guys will do. Choose the amount that you want to enter this trade with. Let's say it's $1,000. Now split this $1,000 into 4 equal portions. Very important that you guys use these portions. $250 is going to then be placed at each of the 4 buy limits, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Once your first buy limit is hit, set up a sell limit in green for a 100% exit. So once this comes down, hits your first buy limit, there's going to be a sell limit somewhere up here. I don't exactly know where it is on Ethereum, but I want to keep it private for our members. Set up that sell limit up here, okay? Once you guys do that, I will then be calling an exit in Telegram for the trade that we're in right now. So here's the beauty of this. All of you guys who get in right now and you actually get into this market, I'm going to be calling an exit around structure high up here. So you guys are actually going to be able to experience about a 36% increase on your profits. Those of you guys who entered in with me when we entered in $49,000 and we got in at $2,250 down here, we are going to be taking about 72% profit. So guys, a lot of people are joining us on this trade from people who are in this bad boy. Like I'm in this one here. I injected more money into the market literally at the bottom over here. And then we started seeing it move back up. And then people are joining us today. There is pretty much a very hard chance that anyone's going to lose this trade. You just follow me in Telegram and I'll keep you guys safe in here, give you guys updates of what I'm seeing. If I don't want this to get too high where we start coming up here and crashing back down, so I will call an exit for you guys in Telegram. All right, last but not least, guys, let me show you the indicators real quick. You guys might know this, but here's Telegram channel, by the way. Click this. Once you're signed in, it'll give you guys a link into the Telegram access so you can follow everything I'm showing you guys. The indicators are so cheap right now. This is the best deal we've literally ever had for indicators. This is the Black Friday sale we had last year. So 84% is the lowest we will ever have these indicators. I'm talking about trend exhaustion, price or swell, money flow, trend dashboard. I'm showing you guys the integrity of these every single day. All you're looking for is trend exhaustion to be high, well money flow to be higher. You can set alerts for the trend exhaustion to be alerted when this gets in the top red section, and that's how some of our scalpers are getting some ridiculous entries, okay? You guys can do that by just watching the tutorial video. It's literally right here. You guys can watch this, okay? The bundle pack is going to give you access to all 9 of our indicators, and this is a one-time purchase, not a monthly purchase. One-time purchase. I will also give you guys the source code to the actual indicators, all right? Enter coupon code MARCH at checkout just by clicking this link. This really is the cheapest we'll ever have it, and we won't be having it lower than this. So make sure you guys snag this, all right? Okay, guys, that is pretty much all I've got for the day. Let's take a look at one more thing here. Coming back over here with the pricing. If you guys are in here, make sure you guys are getting yourselves locked in. I'm sorry, can I pause, guys? I'm looking in my backyard right now, and I see like this steam coming from the ground. I'm pretty sure it's our sprinklers, but I want to make sure it's all okay. So I'm sorry. I just want to be honest on this video if I look like I'm distracted. So I want to go check that out here in a second. Hopefully everything's okay. But guys, the membership here will give you access to everything, the metrics, me, and Telegram, and then the bundle pack will be on sale. Just don't worry, guys. Here's what I want to just end this video with. Don't worry if this thing goes down here, okay? If it goes back down, that's not something we should be nervous at all. A healthy higher low for a continuation move back up is what I'm looking for. So this weekend, set everything up so we can go into next weekend strong, because as this bull market starts taking off, we're going to start winning our 111th, 112th, 113th, and 14th win. And any type of bull market that takes off here, guys, we will start ticking off these wins very fast, and we will just continue to up that win rate. So if you guys would like to join us, start making money, that's what you guys can do. God bless you so much, guys. Have an amazing, amazing weekend, and I will see you guys later. If you have any questions, email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com, and I've left all the links for you guys in the description, and I pinned it to the first comment of this video. All right, I love you guys. Thank you so much for helping us hit 50,000, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.